Looking out the window of my hotel room on the 81st floor of the Shanghai Park Hyatt. Yes, across the street, which we don't see, is the Grand Hyatt. But what we're looking up here, I think we're looking towards the east. I like these apartment blocks with the red and the blue roofs. You get to see the room itself. Nice little lounge chair where you can relax and look out the window. They gave us some apples, maybe because we're at Apple. My stuff, puffy pillows. It's kind of dark wood paneling. A nice little round desk to work at. Oh yeah, this is a nice little featurette for morning coffee. Si vous voulez du café. Hello. Hello. Of course, phone next to the toilet. Hello. So this is, of course, how you shower here. So, there's this guy, and there's this guy, and there's a tub on the side. And so here are these controls, and I figure, okay, let's turn on the water, and see, wait for it to get warm. Oh, comes out down here. This is rather civilized. You can feel if it's hot or cold in your toes. Okay, it starts warm up there. May not have to get inundated with cold water. Okay, so now I'm ready to make it not totally hot. Okay, that's a little better. That's how I like it. Okay, let's get the shower going, right? Shall we? Oh wait, this water is cold, and this water's still going. Okay. And how do I get this water going? Okay, I don't know. Well, let's just turn this one off. So I wonder what this one was for. Maybe there used to be a tub here, and they didn't remove this. I don't know. I mean, you really need a separate water for your feet. Okay, so this one here, this was cold. Now it's starting to get hot. And how do we adjust the temperature? Is it one of the things where you turn this knob and it gets hotter and colder? Let's turn here. Well, no. It's less water, but it's still kind of uncomfortably hot. It's like all the way hot. Yeah, so this one. So now, how do you get this shower going? I'd like to take a shower. Oh, look. Okay. And this one has a temperature that you set over here. I wonder if this one sets the temperature for that guy also. Don't spin this up. So let's make this one cold. You gonna get cold? I hope you get cold. That's the end of my experiment. Okay, that one's getting cold now. We'll turn it off. Oh, this is exciting. And this one is so hot. Oh boy, this is the strangest set of engineering. Oh wait, no, it's cooling off. Okay. Mystery solved. And just for completeness, I imagine the tub is set by these controls. Yes. All right, we have solved the hotel shower control puzzle. I know my shower now.